So, if you're having trouble to remove your LS fan, I gotta make this video quick. So it's gonna be straight to the point because my battery is going dead. But if you're having trouble like we are today, and you got your belt and the clutch fan won't come off, and you ain't got the proper tools, we sure don't. I know you probably don't need it if you're watching this video. What we got is just a set of vice grips down in cramped as tight as we can. We're gonna smack them with a hammer. We might have to wedge just a little pry bar in here to help hold it, but we're gonna just try our best to hit it with a hammer first try and see if it will bring it. If not, we will wedge it, but hopefully the belt will hold it. It goes lefty loosey, righty tighty. And it didn't work. Yeah, it worked. Wow. See guys, it's that simple. Now if you're trying to save your clutch fan, you might want to be a little careful, but we're going to try to bring this out. And yeah, we're hitting the fans here. This clutch fan will probably be used on a 6.0. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to get subscribed if you're new. We got tons of videos. This is a LS swap 3rd gen Camaro. Tons of videos on the channel of this car. We got a 70s Camaro conversion going on. We got tons of projects, so get subscribed. We got this. It will be going on to the LS swapped C30. Boom! It's that sexy little beast right there. We got the 7.3 diesel truck too. Tons of videos on that if you're into it. So get subscribed as said before. See you next time. My battery's gone. So bye.